This product was sent to us by the manufacturer to provide you with our honest feedback. Making perfectly thin slices of cold smoked salmon is effortless with the Victorinox Fibrox Salmon Slicer. Its sharp, flexible blade glides smoothly along the fish, helping you get even cuts without damaging the delicate flesh. The non-slip Fibrox handle provides a comfortable, secure grip even when wet, so you can work with confidence. Built with Swiss precision and durability, this slicer is designed to make your salmon prep straightforward and enjoyable, whether you're preparing a special dinner or just enjoying a fresh catch. The Victorinox Fibrox Salmon Slicer, available here on Amazon.